In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send newsletter Shopify. 5 minutes. We'll walk through creating a polished newsletter inside your Shopify admin so you can reach your subscribers with a message that looks on brand and professional. By the end, you'll have a saved campaign design with your logo, store name, typography, colors, and essential footer details. Start by heading to Shopify and signing into your store admin. This brings you to the dashboard where you manage everything. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage multiple accounts so the campaign lands in the right place. From the admin sidebar, click Apps. This is where your installed tools live. Your email or messaging app is what you'll use to build and send newsletters. If you see multiple options, choose the one you use to send marketing emails from Shopify. Next, open the messaging area. This is the home for your email communications, where campaigns, templates, and performance insights typically reside. It's a good habit to confirm that your sender information is correct and that your list contains subscribers who have opted in. Now, select Create Campaign. You'll start a fresh email campaign that you can edit and reuse. Think of this as your foundation. You're setting the look and feel that will carry across each newsletter you send. Add your header logo to anchor the design. Use a clear, high-quality version that looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. If your logo includes fine details, consider a slightly larger size so it doesn't appear fuzzy. Keep file size reasonable to help emails load quickly. Enter your store name so it's consistently visible to readers. Clear branding helps subscribers recognize you instantly, which can improve open rates and trust. Use the exact name customers see on your site and receipts for a seamless experience. Choose your typography next. Aim for a clean, legible font for body text and a complementary style for headings. Many email clients substitute fonts, so pick common web-safe options or ensure your choices have good fallbacks. Prioritize readability over flair. Select your colors to match your brand palette. Keep contrast strong, especially for text on background colors, so everything is accessible and easy to read. Limit the number of accent colors to maintain a cohesive, uncluttered look. Add your footer name and physical mailing address. This is essential for compliance and trust, and most email tools automatically include an unsubscribe option alongside your address details. Finally, click Save. This locks in your design choices so you can reuse them quickly for your next send. Before you launch any campaign, it's smart to preview on desktop and mobile and send yourself a test to confirm everything looks perfect. And that's it. Your Shopify newsletter design is ready to go.